For today, it's like a gloomy weather. And yeah, uso yung flu ngayon. Kaya I'm having my vitamins. Hindi ko siya naubos matunaw. So, hintayin ko lang. Palamig na naman kasi yung panahon. And uso na naman yung mga flu. So, yeah, we have to like build a resistance para hindi tayo tamaan ng mga sakit. So, ayun na nga, since umuulan, magluluto ako ngayon ng noodles. Korean cheese ramen. So, it's a cheese ramen. Yeah, so nagboboil lang ako ng water for the noodles. And meron dito fried rice. So, iinitin ko na lang again. Tapos yan na lang yung dinner ko. Ayan, natunaw na yung vitamins ko. It's like Berocca. Pero iba yung brand. Ano. It's a multivitamins as well. Yeah, so ngayon is pa-winter na. It's autumn. Yeah, pa-winter na. So medyo nagiging cold na yung weather. And ngayon umuulan. Minsan umuulan na. And yung hangin is malamig na siya. Yeah. So yeah, summer is finally over. Pero I prefer summer compared to winter sa totoo lang. Well, maganda lang yung winter pakinggan kasi wala siya sa atin, pero mas maganda yung summer for me. Though sobrang init din naman yung summer, pero mas bet ko pa rin yung summer. Oh, here's my garlic rice. Sobrang bango. Kakain na ako. Let the magic happen. Ay! Di ba buto? Sabi na po. Tapos na?
Iya pa.
It's ready. Garlic rice.
A few moments later.
Hello, so it's currently 4 p.m. and we're making supposed to be this is coffee jelly, but instead of coffee we made chocolate jelly. So yeah, chocolate jelly. I know hindi siya perfect, pero yeah, that's the cream.
Meanwhile.
Ngayon, since medyo malamig na talaga yung panahon, ngayon it's autumn, but it's starting to get cold. Kaya usually kasi pag kunwari winter, then naging summer, or winter papuntang summer, syempre tinatago namin yung mga winter clothes namin. So ngayon, since pa autumn, tapos pa winter na ulit, so kailangan na nating ilabas ulit yung mga winter clothes natin, or yung mga jackets and everything. And yung mga pang summer is pwede natin munang itago. So ito lahat ng mga winter clothes namin. Hindi ko nga alam kung akin lang to or amin. But yeah, vacuum lang siya namin para at least mabilis siya i-store. So ngayon papalabas ko ulit siya. This is my favorite one and nag-iisa kong popper jacket, which is very effective and very maganda talaga siya sa cold weather. As in, mapoprotect ka talaga niya sa cold weather. Binigay lang to sa akin and then matagal ko na rin siya ginagamit. Pero ito lang kasi yung only popper jacket ko for now. Today, lalabas tayo and I'm just cooking breakfast para makakain muna before umalis. So, the weather today is a little bit clear.
A few moments later.
Kakarating ko lang and ngayon, kanina, kita nyo naka-long sleeve pa ako pero kanina umalis kami, nag-long sleeve ako kasi sobrang lamig. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, or parang malamig siya, na feeling ko hindi ko siya kaya if hindi ako maglo-long sleeve, or kung magsi-sleeveless ako, or kung mag-short sleeve ako, feeling ko hindi ko siya kaya. So, nag-long sleeve ako. Ngayon, umuwi na ako. It's around like 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. Ngayon naman, sobrang init and sobrang sunny naman sa labas. See? Sobrang init. I just wanna quickly share with you my realization nang umakyat ako sa hagdan. It's like life. Grabe realization. No matter how hard it is to achieve something, kahit na pagod ka na, marami nang ayaw mo na, parang susuko ka na, as long as you will not stop, makakarating ka talaga sa goal mo. Ma-achieve mo talaga lahat ng gusto mo. In your process of reaching your goal, you just have to take your time. If kailangan mo pahinga, every level of the floor. I mean, if you need to take a break, every step of the way. At the end of the day, kung meron ka talagang goal or meron ka talagang like target, ma-reach mo talaga siya as long as you never stop. So ngayon, medyo early pa, pero magpapahinga lang ako and then magsa-start na akong magluto ng dinner. So kanina bago ako umuwi, pumunta muna ako sa Daiso. Daiso, 'di ba? Anywhere ang Daiso and it's like a one-stop shop. I love it. So kung may kailangan ka, Daiso is the place to be. So bumili ako nito. It's like laundry basket na maliit lang. See? Maganda siya kasi it's collapsible. So, actually, mabibend mo siya until the smallest part. Yeah. So, kung maliit lang yung space nyo, and kung wala kayong laundry, you can like fold this one to a smaller piece and matatabi nyo siya. So, very nice. Maliit nga lang yung space namin and meron kaming like balcony. Bumili rin ako ng sampayan ko sa atin, laundry rubber rope and stopper. So, ito siya. Sana umabot dun sa space namin. And then, eto. Bumili ako ng hindi ko kailangan. Pero yeah, it's so cute. It's like this one. It's a sticky notepad na very cute. It's very pastel. Very na-attract siya nung nakita ko siya, na-attract ako sa kanya dahil sa color niya. It's cute, it's pastel. Scissors for our kitchen. And my bottle opener na siya. Yeah. Bet ko talagang like dito. I will cook beef stir fry. So first time ko tong gagawin. Hindi ko pa siya naluto before. And yeah, itatry ko ngayon. So tinuruan tinuruan nila ako kanya kung paano gawin. Hopefully, malala ko lahat. Shadowy kasi sunset na. So, ngayon kasi, since it's back to normal time, kasi di ba nag-daylight saving. So, ngayon, since back to normal time na, ngayon, the time is 6 p.m. is nagsa-sunset na. So, usually before 7:30, 8 p.m. pa nagsa-sunset. So, mga 6 p.m. maliwanag pa. Pero ngayon, back to normal na. So, yeah, sunset is early na ulit. And nag-move din yung time difference to Philippines. Which is, kung daylight saving, 3 hours ahead tayo. Pero pag normal is 2 hours ahead tayo sa kanila. So yeah, I'm just preparing all the ingredients for my beef stir fry.